takeoff. If you're in the air.
The Douglas Dauntless was incredibly important in World War II in the Pacific Theater. If it had done nothing but fight at the Battle of Midway in April of 1942, in June of 1942, the Douglas Dauntless would be counted among the most important aircraft of the 20th century. Inbound, there's the Douglas Dauntless, called the Lady in Blue. The Dauntless helped turn the tide of the war in World War II at the Battle of Midway. The date was June 4th of 1942. The Dauntless sank 4 major aircraft carriers of the Japanese Navy and actually ceased Japanese expansion in the Pacific. The Douglas Dauntless, the SPD, was also serving with 20 U.S. Marine Corps squadrons, and many of them were retrofitted with Westinghouse SA-3 radar to be the first